In the shadow of the Second World War's ashes, a new political fortress was born, a response to the perceived threat of Western expansion. This was the Warsaw Pact, a military alliance formed by the Soviet Union and its Eastern European satellites, a bulwark against the capitalist West. The year was 1955, and the Cold War was already in full swing. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, a military alliance led by the United States, had been established in 1949, a move that the Soviet Union saw as a direct provocation. In response, Soviet leader Nikita Khrushchev sought to create a counterbalance, to protect the communist bloc from the perceived threat of Western encroachment. On May 14, 1955, the Soviet Union extended invitations to 7 Eastern European nations: Albania, Bulgaria, Czechoslovakia, East Germany, Hungary, Poland, and Romania, to sign a treaty of mutual cooperation and collective defense. The treaty, signed in the Polish capital of Warsaw on May 14, 1955, marked the formal establishment of the Warsaw Pact. The Warsaw Pact was a response to the perceived threat of the Western powers, but it was also a symbol of the Soviet Union's dominance over its Eastern European satellites. The Soviet Union held a veto power over the decisions of the alliance, and the member nations were expected to align their foreign and defense policies with Moscow's. The Warsaw Pact was a powerful military force, with over 3 million troops, 30,000 tanks, and 6,000 aircraft at its peak. However, it was also a source of tension and instability. The alliance's existence fueled the arms race between the Eastern Bloc and the Western powers, and it contributed to the political and economic isolation of the Eastern Bloc countries. The Warsaw Pact was dissolved on July 1, 1991, following the collapse of the Soviet Union. The end of the Cold War and the dismantling of the Eastern Bloc marked the end of an era, one marked by political and military division, but also by a shared history and shared struggles. The Warsaw Pact, while a symbol of Cold War tensions, remains an important chapter in the history of the 20th century. The formation of the Warsaw Pact was a significant event in the history of the Cold War, marking a response to the perceived threat of Western expansion and the consolidation of the Soviet Union's power in Eastern Europe. It was a time of tension and division, but also a time of shared history and shared struggles. The Warsaw Pact, while a symbol of the Cold War's darker aspects, serves as a reminder of the complex and often fraught relationships between nations during a period of intense political and ideological conflict.